This is Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. And many of you have already watched YouTube videos from guys saying, if you have noisy lifters, especially in the 5.7 Hemi, then this is what you want. Now I want to take a minute to explain why it's not what you want. Now, to understand why it's not what you want, you need to understand what's causing the lifter tick in the first place. The lifter tick initially is caused by dirty valve lifters. And for you to understand how that affects it, you need to understand what a lifter does. Most of us know, but for those of us who don't know what a lifter does, it's okay. What a lifter does is really it takes up the slack in the valve train to adjust for different conditions of the engine. When it's cold, especially when it's warm, it also provides a little bit of cushion, but we don't want it to be providing a lot of cushion because we need that valve train to be really, really tight so that valves open all the way while the engine's running. And that ticking sound is caused by that lifter being collapsed. So you've probably heard collapsed valve lifter is the problem for a ticking Hemi. It's also the problem for a ticking Chevy engine. It's also the problem for a ticking Ford engine. As long as the engine is a push rod engine, it has valve lifters and they are almost always prone to getting plugged. Now, to avoid that problem, the number one thing is prevention. Do your oil change regularly, and you will likely not experience the issue at all. But if you're like me and you've bought your truck long after it's already old, long after it's already got tons of miles, and somebody else has already done everything to this thing, and we're just trying to get as much life out of it as we can, you probably are like me and you've inherited a small problem in that your engine ticks. But a dirty lifter will not get fixed with Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. It doesn't. Many of you guys are saying, but Anton, I've seen the videos. I've tried it myself and it worked. So how can you say it doesn't fix it? It doesn't. What it actually does, this stuff is really stick and gooey. In fact, I've got some on my fingers right now. You can see it's sticky and gooey. So what this does is it just gums up your valve train. It gums up the lifter. It adds a gooey, sticky top to your push rod and everything in the valve train. So you're not actually getting rid of the ticking. You're adding a little cushion to the ticking so you don't hear it as much. It doesn't make it go away. In fact, if you have the ticking, the Lucas Oil Stabilizer is going to make it worse. It just won't sound worse. Okay? So we need to understand that so that we can talk about the real fix. Now, the real fix is this. Not MotoMaster. The real fix is written right here. Dexron 3 automatic transmission fluid. And here's the thing. Mechanics everywhere have known about the cleaning detergent properties of automatic transmission fluid. And for years, mechanics have been using this trick. I didn't come up with this. All I'm doing is sharing it for posterity's sake, sharing it so that this doesn't get to be a lost art. So what we are about to do is just a regular oil change on my truck with the addition of adding one full bottle of this transmission fluid. Now, what's it going to do? First of all, it's going to thin the oil slightly. So I'm actually using 5W30 oil because I actually want thin oil to start with. It's actually winter here in Canada. It doesn't matter. I want thin oil to start with. I'm going to lower the viscosity with the ATF. That will allow it the most fighting chance to flow into small areas of the engine that are gummed up and dirty. And hopefully, if it does what it should, it will actually get into those holes in the lifters that are plugged. And the detergent properties of the ATF is going to scrub those clean to allow them to function properly. We will make the sound go away, but not because we masked it with extra cushioning. We're going to make the sound go away because we cleaned the engine and now it's running properly.